Welcome to Frogfoot Holler, everyone. I'm Michael. My nephew Colton is behind the camera today. And as you can see, I'm out here at my new garden spots. And well, the reason being is it's getting close to time to plant some stuff in the ground. Now here's the thing. I'm going to direct sow some seeds. And it's still a little early for that. My soil temperature is still a little cool. But these gardens right here get full sun just about all day long. So I'm betting, and I'm hedging this bet, that I can germinate seeds a little early this year. Now, I have 8 different seed packets here. I have 5 squash seeds, 5 varieties of squash seeds, and I have 3 varieties of melons. I have Carolina Cross 180s. I have Honey Rock Melon, which is a cantaloupe. I have Halo Canary Melons, which is also a cantaloupe. I have Pink Banana Jumbo. Let me try this again, y'all. I have Pink Banana Jumbo Squash, which is actually a winter squash. Man, these things are supposed to get upwards around 50 pounds a piece. So they're going to be big. I also have, if I can get everything straight, One Ball Squash. I have Sunburst Squash, which is a patty pan. I have Slick Pick and Gentry Squash, which are pretty much straight neck squashes. And all this is going in the garden. Now, my melons and my pink banana squash are going in this garden right here. My other squashes are going in the far garden. So we got a little bit to do. But before I can get to planting any of these, which again, I'm just testing these out, so I'm not planting all of them. I'm just going to be planting 2 hills apiece per variety to make sure I can get germination. But before we do all that, I have to prepare my garden. And well, I got to prepare it by dividing it up and figuring out where stuff is going. So we're going to hit Super Frog mode and we'll be right back. And we are back, y'all. So we're back from Super Frog mode, and we got everything marked out as far as how many beds that we're going to have with everything we got. And well, got 4 beds here and 4 beds over there. So now to actually build the mounds, or I'm going to do mounds with these. You don't have to, but I'm going to build mounds and put my seeds in to test for germination. So I'm going to put 2 mounds, one right here and one right here. And it's going to look like that over there. Now see, those are some honeydew and my pink banana squash. I don't know why I have trouble saying that. But those are my, oh shoot, yeller cantaloupes. I can't think of the name right offhand, y'all. But yeller cantaloupes and my pink banana squash, and we already got those done. Now I got my Carolina Cross 180s. And I also have a Honey Rock cantaloupe that we got to do. And then 3 squash beds. So I got a little bit to do. But before we do that, I want to show you how I build these little mounds. And the reason why I like doing mounds, especially when I'm planting to see if stuff is going to grow, is because of the fact that if it rains, I don't have to worry about the plant flooding out. It's easy to see when I come back in here and mess around in the bed. And well, I just don't have to worry about it as much. Let's just put it that way. But I'm gonna do mounds just like that, and I'm gonna get all this little grass and stuff like that off. And I'm gonna pat it down, do the same thing over here. Just bring the dirt towards me. Now this stuff right here is some sandy stuff, y'all. But it should work. Get this grass out. Now I'm gonna punch a little hole right here, right in the center, about a 1/2 inch down. Do the same thing right here. Punch a little hole. Get the grass out my way. Get out my way, grass. Punch a little hole. And the sand keeps falling back in. Now, I'm gonna get these seeds, which, hey, I pulled the right ones. Now these are the Carolina Cross 180, y'all. These watermelons are supposed to get up to around 200 pounds. Those are some big watermelons. And, well, I'm hoping to get some good ones out of it. Hey, this package would open up real good for me. All right, so I'm gonna take 4 seeds out, 2 seeds per hill. And I'm just gonna drop them in the holes, just like that. Cover them up, pat them down, good to go. Do the same thing right here. Drop them in the hole, cover them up, good to go. Now, when you're planting seeds like this, direct sowing, you got to make sure you get some water to them, especially in this sandy ground that I got. Now, you don't want to wash the seeds up, so you don't need to put it on there real heavy all at one time. Just kind of get the area nice and soaking wet, just like that. Let that one soak in a little bit, move to this one. Just like this. Now me and my nephew, we're gonna jump into super frog mode and get this done. He's gonna come back and water the seeds in, and I'm gonna make all the mounds. And we're gonna get her done, y'all. So let's jump into super frog mode right now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have run to the end of the show today. And well, we got our starter seed planted. Well, we got our test seeds planted in the ground, and I got my sprinkler on, and it just got me, y'all. So I'm gonna move forward a little bit. Now, I got the sprinkler going right now. That's some cold water, y'all. But it's gonna give everything a nice drink of water, what it needs to be. And all right, guys, I need to move a little bit further. Okay. Oh, that's cold. All right, so as you can see, that sprinkler gets quite a bit, and I only need 2 of them for this entire area. And, oh, that's some cold water. But we got the test seeds in the ground, and with any bit of luck, within a week or so, they should germinate, and I should be able to tell if the ground's warm enough to go ahead and plant the rest of the seeds I want right there. So, my nephew's got big eyes about like this every time that sprinkler comes around. He's hoping it hits me. But either which way, guys, I appreciate y'all coming and joining in today. I hope y'all have had fun. Hope y'all enjoyed the super frog mode. Dadgummit, it got my leg. All right, guys, we're gonna get out of here before I get soaking wet from this stupid sprinkler. Y'all have a froggy day.